Oh, Try's
there's a
outside. She
beehive
said
right
she.
next to the ship.
Hey
Yeah.
y'all, we have a minor bee problem on the way, so just a
Oh
heads
no.
up.
Oh no.
I recommend,
I like how when she
Hey, how
closed
you
the
guys
door.
yeah, or else the bees would be in the ship. Do you want the bees in the ship or outside the ship? Those are your options.
Run! Run! Dragon! My hands are full! I can't climb ladders!
Just drop the fucking hive! Just drop the hive! Drop the hive!
No, you have the bees inside!
Ah!
Hey, Pansy, I hope you're watching
Okay,
this.
I'm sacrificing myself.
Just drop the hive! What are you doing?
I wanted to sacrifice myself.
Oh my god, get off me, get off me, get off me!
God!
Oh! These goddamn bees, they're angry. Hey, listen, bees.
Ah, ah. Oh no. Oh no. No. No.
Oh shit!
Oh!
Uh oh.
There's a big bahoo.
You know what? I'll take the bees over that. Oh no. Oh.
Please, 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 please don't eat.
Oh no, there's bees in the ship.
Oh my god, he lost him!
Please!
Oh no! The only person left is zombie! John!
Okay, the ship belongs to the bees now.
Wait, the person inside died! They can't open the door!
No, the power.
They just have to wait for the hydraulics to give off!
Oh, it all went so wrong so fast.
Why didn't you just drop the beehive?
Somebody go, go, go! Start the
Why did you not?
Start the ship! Start the ship! Start the ship!
No. Oh no. I believe.
Run, 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 run! No, go in, go in, go in!
John, when the forest
Johnny,
giant
we
comes,
still- the
you
autopilot
gotta
will
be
set-
quiet.
Oh, our items have been lost. Oh man.
Yeah.
We have one
So-
bottom ship.
So maybe the bees weren't a good
We got two
idea.
body system. I dynamically said
Why
shit.
did you not just drop the hive?
Because I was trying to get in the ship. That's what my job was.